Hi, my name is Wiley. Today we're going to make mac and cheese from scratch. You're going to need any type of pasta. For the sauce, we're going to need butter, cheddar, milk, and flour. And for the end, we're also going to sprinkle some Parmesan cheese. While that pasta's boiling, we're going to cut half a stick of butter. We're going to now add the butter.
Yay, got it.
And mix it.
Stir it.
Stir it. Now we're going to get a 1/4 cup of flour.
To the butter.
To butter.
Looks like cookie dough.
We're going to add about 2 cups of milk. And dump it in. And stir.
And now we're going to take our cheddar that we have right here. Use this cheese shredder and shred it.
And we're going to shred about 2 cups of cheddar cheese and shred it like this.
This is good enough.
Yeah. Now we'll keep stir. I'm stirring.
Whoa, look at that.
Is that thick?
Next, we're going to put about a tablespoon of salt into the
Pasta.
almost done pasta. That's a lot of salt. We're going to stir the salt with the spatula.
We're going to put the sauce in the pasta and stir
it well.
Just
pour the entire thing in.
Okay.
Now let's stir it all in.
And
while holding the bowl. Now we're going to sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on each one of these plates that we filled up with mac and cheese. You can leave a like if you liked it, subscribe if you wanna. If you followed the directions and you like the dish you just made, please leave a comment in the comment section below that say if you like it or not, and bye-bye!